Think volatility is risky. At Chakri Views, we turn market swings into smart profits. Our 17th May weekly report shows how mini lots and disciplined calls delivered a net profit of 3,10,867 rupees across NSE futures and options and MCX futures. Oro Pharma led the equity charts with a 100% hit rate. In commodities, gold alone brought in 1,30,000 rupees. And yes, even COMEX Silver and COMEX Gold added over 1 lakh rupees together. We use smart position sizing, minimum risk, maximum potential. Trade with as little as 1,000 rupees in MCX or 2,500 rupees in global segments. And yes, leverage up to 500 times on NSE. Ready to grow? Subscribe today. 4,999 rupees for NSE, 7,777 rupees for MCX, or just call us at 877-889-9819. Chakri Views, where precision meets profit.
Weekly summary for 17th May 2025. This week, we made a total of 35 calls across NSE F&O and MCX futures, delivering a remarkable weekly profit of 3,10,867 rupees. Our expert intraday and position calls covered top stocks like Apollo Tyres, Oro Pharma, Cipla, and more, as well as commodities including gold, silver, copper, and global segments. With a focus on calculated risk and consistent results, Chakri Views helps you achieve trading success and earn big profits. All calculations are done per single lot and single target, ensuring transparency and reliability. Subscribe now for our premium calls and join a community of successful traders. Follow us on social media for daily updates and insights. Chakri Views, your trusted partner for trading success. Summary for 12th May. Our expert team tracked multiple opportunities across commodities and equities, including COMEX Silver, Copper, Silver, Oro Pharma, Apollo Tyres, Balkrishna Industries, and Gold. We executed both buy and sell trades, with clear entry points, stop losses, and multiple target levels for each position. Some highlights include a profit of 10,862 rupees and 50 paise on Oro Pharma, 23,670 rupees on silver, and 40,808 rupees and 50 paise on gold. Our transparent approach shows every trade's entry, exit, and net result, helping you make informed decisions and maximize your returns. Stay tuned for more updates and join Chakri Views for reliable trading calls and consistent profits. Trade update for 13th May. Our team delivered strong results across multiple commodities, including silver, COMEX Gold, copper, and gold. With precise buy entries, well-defined stop losses, and clear targets, we achieved impressive profits. 39,180 rupees on silver, 25,620 rupees on COMEX Silver, 29,890 rupees on COMEX Gold, 13,250 rupees on copper, and a remarkable 88,900 rupees on gold. The total net profit for the day stands at 1,96,840 rupees. At Chakri Views, we focus on transparent trading strategies and consistent results. Stay connected for more daily updates and reliable trading calls. 14th May. It was a challenging day in the markets, with trades across gold, silver, COMEX Silver, and COMEX Gold. Despite our best strategies, the market volatility led to a net loss of 76,580 rupees. At Chakri Views, we believe in transparency and sharing both wins and losses. Every trade is tracked with clear entries, stop losses, and targets, so you always know where you stand. Remember, trading is a journey with ups and downs. Stay tuned for more updates, and let's work together towards consistent success. On 16th May, our team executed a range of sell and buy trades across top stocks and commodities, including Oro Pharma, Cipla, Dabur, Havells, MGL, COMEX Silver, COMEX Gold, Copper, Silver, and Gold. Highlights for the day include a profit of 18,788 rupees on COMEX Silver, 29,036 rupees on COMEX Gold, 32,550 rupees on silver and an impressive 58,500 rupees on gold. The total net profit for the day stands at 1,49,799 rupees. At Chakri Views, we focus on transparent trading strategies and consistent results, helping you achieve your financial goals. Financial consultant advice before investing. This channel is only for educational and learning purposes. Admins have no responsibility for your intended decision and financial losses. Stock market investments are very risky, and being part of this group, you agree that you understand the market risks involved. Therefore, no legal action is valid. Thank you.